after a couple of months, the bike is finally put together, all the painted parts. During the whole process of parts being transported between Peshawar and Islamabad, where the bike was painted here in Islamabad and where the bike was assembled back in Peshawar, I lost some stuff that I am going to look for again. So it's going to prolong the project, but here is the big reveal. Not the big reveal, still I'd say about 80% complete, but here it is. One of the biggest pieces missing, you guys would observe, is the silencer or the exhaust. But fortunately, I have quite a few friends with monkey bikes, so Farhad has been kind enough to lend me his exhaust that I've given to a fabricator to sort of replicate. Other than that, these are not original, so probably another AliExpress trip would sort that. This I was able to find on AliExpress, all original. These are also not original. As you can see, we lost this part as well. So this was from had to be purchased from AliExpress, and as you can see, it's not colored match. I had the option of an orange color, but obviously that's a different order, so this needs to be painted as well. Other than that, the fuel cap is missing. So yeah, this basically goes on here, but temporarily I've just put it here. So this also needs to come from AliExpress. Because most of the stuff is so tiny on this bike, you can't really retrofit normal bike stuff on here, and it has to be original to this bike. So yeah, next update when the bike is fully complete and running, and hopefully I'll be able to put some training wheels on there so that my son can ride it too. So next update in 3, 2, 1. So I just got a call from my mechanic that the bike is ready. He showed me the pictures. The exhaust looks pretty convincing, even though it's locally fabricated. They did try to find original one, but they couldn't, and especially with the chrome plates that are original that they've put on it. So it looks pretty convincing. So yeah, it finally might be done. We will be left with a few small little things like the emblems and stuff. So that's a job for a later date. But for now, let's go and pick the bike. So after more than a year in the workshop, in multiple workshops in Peshawar and Islamabad, the project is 99% complete. The amazing part, the thing I'm most impressed about, is how good the exhaust sounds, and it literally is the replica of the original exhaust, so really happy about that. Sher isn't home. He'll be back after a few days. So I can't wait to unveil the bike to him and see his expression and see him ride it. So see you in the morning with some detailed shots of the bike. So one of the final touches, not one of the, actually the final touch to put on the bike are the emblems just arrived from AliExpress. One will go on this side, one will go on that side. Also was able to get a center cap for the tank. I think this is from a generator. I was able to order these from AliExpress and it sort of slot perfectly in. So let's put these on and complete this project. I asked my son if he wanted to do a test drive so that I could film that the monkey bike is finally done and working. But he was too scared because I took off the training wheels. So I had to request my nephew to take it for a spin so that you guys can see it. Between the last clip and this, there has been a month's time because we did some more modifications to the monkey bike that I'll show you just a bit. So those of you who are a little detailed oriented would notice that the engine cover is not matte black anymore. That is because we've almost changed the engine after last time when I told you guys that I'm going to start it and take it for a spin. So it wasn't running properly. It was because mainly the components were from the original 50cc engine, particularly the point system. So what we've done now is we've completely converted this into a clutchless CD70 system with a CDI. So out with the old, in with the new. Some of you would have also noticed that there's plastic on the handlebars. So usually plastic comes on things that are new, and that's what these handlebars are, because the original one got bent while we were kicking and trying to start it. So we had to make these from scratch, custom made. So these notches are here so that you can fold these handlebars. That's actually a feature. So it's not as small as the motor compo that used to come in the Honda City Turbo 2. It came with a motor compo in the trunk, but if you fold these handlebars, this becomes pretty small as well, and you can store it. See, there's another notch where this fits, and if we loosen this too, it goes like this. You pick it up, put it in the car's trunk. It's easy to store, and when you want to ride it, just do this, tighten those, and you're good to go. So now I'm going to ride it myself and give you guys a short sort of overview of how that goes. So I hope you guys liked this video of the restoration of the monkey bike. I certainly enjoyed restoring it. Took a very long time, almost 2 years or maybe a little bit more than 2 years, but a lot of fun. And it was really fun putting this video together for you guys. If you like it, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, share it with a friend who's restoring a monkey bike, and as always, have a nice day.